Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class. Subject Mathematics and the topic is numbers. In this video, we are going to learn the exercise 7.2 from the Navneet Digest. So please open the page number 228. So 228. We will start the question number 1. What is the difference between the greatest 5-digit number, even number? So that is a when condition. It should be even and it should be 5-digit and also the greatest. These are the three conditions. I just write down in a very fastly. And the smallest 5-digit odd number, so 5-digit also here the condition, but here the smallest, okay, and the odd here. So these are the conditions. So greatest 5-digit, so greatest 5-digit number, we know this one is the greatest 5 number, but we require the even number. So after this one, no any number, so we have to go below 1, which will be the even number. So instead of the 8 and 9, which should be make a 8, means the previous one. So this is the even number, 5-digit greatest number, we can say. Now the smallest one, and that should be the odd. We know the smallest 5-digit number, this is the smallest. If we take the 0 here, means 10,000 here, okay. So this is the 5-digit smallest number, but we require the odd, means we have to go upper one, means addition with 1. So 10,001. So this is the 5-digit smallest number, odd number, and we have to find out the difference. So making the subtraction, 8 minus 1, 7, 9 as it is, then 9 as it is, 9 as it is, and here the 8. So 89,997, which is available in option number 2. Now the question number 2, which of the following is a pair of twin prime number? So option number 1, 3 and 7. No, twin prime number should be the difference, we can say the 2, okay. This should be the difference. Now the prime number, if you see 3 and 7, the difference is the 4. So option number 1 is should not be. Then 7 and 11, here the difference is the 4, so it should not be. Then 11 and 13, the difference is 2. Yes, the option number 3 can be. For just checking purpose, 13 and 15, but 15 is not a prime number, so option number 4 is not our answer. So the option number 3 is a correct answer. Then question number 3, what type of the numbers are the set of numbers 2, 3, 11, 17, 23? What type of this set? If you look properly, these all are the prime number, okay. So if you see the option number 1, square number, no, these are not the square number. Then option number 2, triangular number, no, these are not a triangular number. Odd number also not, because there is a 2 is mentioned. So this is the prime numbers, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now the question number 4, what is the sum of the first 10 even number? Now this is very important. First 10, if you add all these 10 numbers, means 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and then 10. If you added this one, the total should be something that has to be taken. But here the condition is first. What we say, the first even number, means from the starting from the 2, and the 10 means 10 to the 20, of course up to the 20. If you counted 2, 4, 6, then 8, 10, 12, then 14, 16, 18, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of making addition of all that one, we have to make an average of 2 and 20. So 2 plus 20, we are taking the 2 numbers, so we have to divide the 2, okay. So 2 plus 20, 22. So by divided by 2 means 11 comes. Now how many, the average of the all these numbers are, we can say the 11, or we can say the middle number is the 11. Now 11 multiply by this total numbers counting, here the 10 numbers are there. So 110, so 110. So 110 is mentioned in option number 3. So means in a shortly, I am again explaining this answer, how this answer comes. So how many numbers are there? All are the consecutive even numbers, means the 2 starting from the 2. So first letter and the first number and the last number, we have to take it separately, because all are the in particularly sequence, addition of the 2. We have to find out the middle one. to find out the middle one, first and the last one we have to addition. So we have take out the two numbers, so divide by the 2. We got this average. Average multiply by means complete of this series average. Average multiply by how many numbers are there in a series? 10. So that's why we have to multiply with that complete counting. Here the 10, so we multiplied with the 10, and the answer comes the 110. Now comes to the question number 5. Which of the following is a prime number? If you see, option number 1, 29. Option number 2, 39. Option number 3, 49. Option number 4, 69. 69 and 39 can be divided by the 3, so which is not a prime number, so this is not our option. 49 can be divided by 7, and which is not a prime number. But 29 is a prime number which cannot be divided by any another number except 1 and that itself. So the option number 1 is the correct. Now the question number 6. Which of the following is a product of the two prime numbers? Now this is very important. The first is the 36, then 45, then 55, and then fourth is the 63. Now we can find out the some factors here. 36, this is the even number, and if we can find out the factor 2, then 4, then 9 and 12. So this cannot be the product of the two prime numbers, because here the 4 also comes and the 12 also comes. Okay, and the two prime numbers, if we choose from the any two factors, means if we consider one prime number 2 but another comes the 18, and 18 is not a we can say the prime number. If we consider the one factor 3, then another comes the 12. If we consider the one factor 4, and then another comes the 9, but which both are not a prime number. And 5 should not be divided, then after the 5, 7 could not be divided, then 11 also not, so this number cannot be. Then go for the another option, 45. 45 means 4 and 9, but which are not a prime number. Then after the for the 45 there is no any another factors we can say, so this is also not a our number. Then comes for the 55. 55 means 5 and 11, and both are the prime numbers, so this can be. For the 63, the 3 can be the prime number one factor, but after this one, after this 53 there is a 21, but 21 is not a prime number. After the 3 there is no another number between or before the 21, so this is also not a perfectly number which we are looking. So the option number 3 is the correct option. Like this one, means we have to find out the such a pair of the two factors which are both are the prime numbers. So that is exactly meaning of the question. Now comes to the question number 7. Which of the following is the greatest 5-digit odd number form using the digit 8, then 3, then 5, 2 and 4? We have to find out the greatest odd digit. That is very important. Greatest 5-digit odd number. Now all are the 5-digit. So greatest means, if suppose this is the digits places, I am just mark outing 5 digits. So here at the highest place we have to fix the highest digit. So here the 8, so I will fix the 8 here. Then after this one, the 5 is the greater digit after the 8, so 5 we have to place. After this 5, 4 is there. Okay, and after this one the 3 and then 2. This is the 5-digit number is form up, but the condition is that should be the odd number. But if you look out here, the 2 comes at the unit place, means this is the even number. Okay, but we require the odd number. So what we have to do, we have to interchange this last 2 digit, means 8, 5, 4, 2 and 3. So now 3 comes at the unit place, means this comes down the odd number. So this is our we can say the greatest 5-digit odd numbers formed by the given digits. So and this is available in option number 2. Now the question number 8. What is the sum of the 5 consecutive even number? There are the 5-digit numbers. Okay, so the summation of the 5-digit number. So this one number completely, then addition of the another number, then addition of the third number, then addition of the fourth, and then addition of the fifth. If we added these 5 any numbers, what we have to do, we have to find out the middle terms, means this one. Now here the third term, here the second term, or we can say second number, and this is the first, and this is the fifth, and this is the fourth. So this middle one multiply by this, how many numbers are there? Here the 5, so middle one multiply by 5. So If you see the option number 3, 5 times the third number. Third means the middle one here. And so that's why this option number 3 is the correct one. Now the question number 9, if x is an odd number, which is the next odd number? So we know the consecutive odd number or consecutive even number, there is a difference too. So if there is a x is the odd number, means of course the next number should be x and then addition of the 2, means the next consecutive odd number will comes, and this is a mention in option number 4. Now the question number 10, which of the following procedures would give an odd number? Now, if you see the option number 1, sum of the two odd numbers. If you add the any two odd numbers, means 5 plus 7, it comes the 12, means the even number. So we could not be get the odd numbers because we require the odd numbers as per the question. Then the question option number 2, difference of the two odd numbers. If you make the difference, means 7 minus 5, 2 comes. Here the even number comes, but we require the odd. Then the option number 3, product of the two odd numbers. If we multiply by 5 and 7 comes the 35, or another number also. If you take the 3 or multiply by with a 5, the 15 number comes, which is a odd number. So the option number 3 can be our option, correct option. Just check for the option number 4, product of an even and the odd number. So even means suppose the 2 multiplied by 3, the even number comes. So this is all also not our correct option. So option number 3 is the correct one. Now the question number 11, how many 3-digit even numbers will be formed using the digit? So we have given the digit 0, then 5, then 6 and the 7. These are the 4 digits given in a question, and only one time, means once we have to use any digit and we have to form the 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit number. So that probability we have to check how many numbers we can form. Now if we see in the 4 digits, the 0 and the 6, these are the even numbers, and we have to find out the 3-digit even numbers. Okay, that probability we have to check. So how many numbers we can find? So at the last, means suppose that this is the 3-digit number, so at the unit place either 0 or either 6 we have to use. So first check with a 0. If we check with a 0, so 1 digit already we have taken, so another 2 digit we can take. So after this 0, let's take 5 and 6. Okay, and same we'll change, interchange this one, so this one also comes. Then if we take again the 0 for the 5 and 7, so 5 and 7, and with the interchange this one, so 7, 5 and 0 comes. So these are the probability. Then 7 and 5 comes, then 6 and 7, so 6 and 7, then 0, then 7 and 6 and then 0. So after this one we could not be found. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total the 6 numbers, 6 counting we can say, or 6 numbers we can do the. Then we are taking the 6 at the unit place. So let's I just write down here 6 at the unit place. Then after the 6, 0, 5 and 7, these are the 3 digits are there we can use. So first take the 0 and 5, but we could not be start with the 0, so we have to start with the 5 and then with the 0 we can take it. So this is the one number, and then after this one 6 at the unit, and then 5 and 7 we can take. So 5 and 7, and then with the interchange 7 and 5, 6 at the unit. Okay, and then after this one 0 and 7, so 7, 0 and 6, this is also another number, but 0 and 7 cannot be interchanged like this one 5 and 0. So these are the 4 numbers we can do. So 4 and 6, total 10 numbers we can form up, and the 10 is given in our option number 1. So the option number 1 is the correct one. Thank you.